I've always loved food, and I want to share that passion with others. At the School of Hospitality, Tourism, and Culinary Arts, I found my calling. I'm immersed in something special. The industry-leading chef professors are more than just teachers. They're mentors who really know the industry. From knife skills to kitchen technology, I'm learning what it takes to succeed in a professional environment. Our education includes more than cooking. We study menu planning, kitchen management, food safety, and purchasing. We source local ingredients in a hands-on program that reaches beyond the classroom. As the only college in Ontario with a Feast On designation for the ingredients used in our labs, Centennial is serious about buying close to home. I also like the focus on sustainable seafood. Ocean-wise products are an integral part of my education. Back in the labs, we have access to the latest equipment, and we train in techniques that transform raw ingredients and grow skills in a space designed for culinary professionals. We're taught to respect food and create dishes with care. It's easy to take pride in my work and be inspired when I'm serving delicious food to happy guests. We get this experience every day working in the local cafe and restaurant. Just as important, we learn about teamwork and trust, essential components in the kitchen. My education is picture perfect. This experience is everything. At the end of the day, there's no feeling quite like seeing it all come together in one perfect dish. This is where I'm supposed to be.